Hi there, I want to go through a new feature in Microsoft Stream, that is the ability to create screen recording. So now here I'm at web.microsoftstream.com, and if I go to create now, you'll see there's a new option here to record your screen. So for example, rather than going to PowerPoint, you can now go directly to Microsoft Stream and record your screen. So you've got some options here about which camera you're going to use. So I'll choose that camera there. You also get the choice of which microphone it is that you want to use, or turning the microphone off as well, and then hit start recording. You'll get an option about which screen that you want to use. So if I've got dual screens, I can choose which screen it is that I want to use. So I'm going to choose this one here and hit share. You can see that there's a time limit of 15 minutes, but now it is recording everything that is on the screen, and you can do anything that you want here. You could have a OneNote open, scribing on that. You could have a website open. It's great to do screen recordings and demos. So let's go back to there, Microsoft Stream. So I can pause as well. I can start the recording again, but I'm going to click on next and have a look at my recording.
Time limit of 15 minutes, but now it is recording everything that's on the screen. You can do anything you want here.
Okay, there you go. So I can look at that. I can download that. I can look at it picture in picture as well, and then simply click on upload to stream. I get to name it. So I'll call this a test recording, give it a description, change the language of the video if I want. I can change this to allow everyone to see it or to not, and then I can go and check later on who it is that I want to see the video, and then just hit on publish. When the video is published, I click on go to video, and when it's ready, my video will be there ready for people to view, and you can go through and update the video details now, including who can watch the video, so I can add channels and people so that they can see that video, etc. So just a nice option there in Microsoft Stream to be able to record directly from Microsoft Stream and record your screen directly from there rather than having to go through PowerPoint.